Okay, good morning. Where are we going?
To the train in the zoo. I want it up.
Ito, Lego lang. Ayan, na yan. Where are we going? We're gonna ride a train and we're going to the
Zoo.
zoo. What are we gonna see on the zoo?
Zebra?
Zebra. Walang zebra dun, Sira. Anak ka, hold your water. Time check is 9:37 ba o 38 yan. Ado lang natin to para safe. Lagi silang nauuna. Excited silang dalawa. Are you excited, Ava? Okay.
Why? Why are we not gonna eat that?
Hi.
Bye.
Where are we going again?
To the zoo. To the zoo. We can see some giraffe.
Giraffe.
We can see the giraffe. We can see two giraffe.
Starting route to Folsom Zoo.
So guys, magdadrive muna kami at pupunta kami ng Folsom Zoo and may train na doon at saka may park, so lahat nandun na. Dadrive muna ako, ha?
That's what you're doing.
We're gonna go.
Where's the bug? Where's the bug? Why are we gonna need the bug?
Guys, dito na kami sa Folsom Zoo. Ayan. So, bababa na kami, guys.
Oh, I'm gonna go to the tree.
Are you excited? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, come here. Kunin lang natin yung water niya.
Go tree.
This way. So guys, ito, pupunta na kami sa, magte-train muna kami. Sabi dyan is, train ride open.
Come on.
Oh, slowly lang. Slowly. Yung mga excited na bata. Are you excited?
Yeah, what's the train?
The train is right there. They're coming back. Good. 3?
3?
Yes. And using a card.
Sure. Pretty good. Nice
Pretty
day
good.
today. Perfect day.
All right. How about here? This way, anak.
Daddy, kill us.
Huh? We have to say thank you, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We had fun. Okay? Yan ang zoo. And then dito, pipila lang kami. Card.
And then just wait for the prompt and then tap.
Gotcha. Yan guys, yung turtle. Nakikita nyo ba? Yan. May pangalan siya. Lily. Ah, tortoise pala siya. Ayan guys, may monkey dyan. Nagtatago. Init kasi. Who's that, Kuya Mark? Who's this?
This is mommy.
Okay, that's mommy. Who's this? Who's this? Who's this?
That's you.
Okay, that's me. This is me. Who's this?
This is Ava.
That's you? Okay, you're the, I think that's a wolf. Okay, what about you, kuya? You're the monkey. Yeah!
I'm the bear.
Ikaw yung monkey.
You're the monkey. This is everyone.
Hayop sa Zoom.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
Yeah. So, dito ko muna sila pinalakad.
I wanna see what a snow bear.
It's not snow. Pero you see, there's the deer right there. Layo. Yan, nandun siya. Layo niya. Yan ang to Pikachu daw. Ooh, look. Ay, bala ko. Crows jumping. Itong mga to. Yan, sige. Hide, son.
Did you hold me?
Of course. Okay, hold daddy. Masulit naman namin yung bayad namin. Yan. Yan guys. May goat dito. Oh. Sana pagpasok namin doon, pwede namin siya makita. And then ito, may baby cow. Yung ampake na. Okay.
Not the chips.
Banjo! Alo? Wagi yung mata. Ano yan? Uchi ah. Meh! Banjo! Meh!
Titi.
Wako, kukunin niya yung pake mo. Ang ganda ng horse ah. Kami sa bear. So, lalakad kami all the way there. Kung saan kami nagsimula kanina. Bata, kumakain ng paki. Yung isa ayaw ng paki. Nagsawa na ata. Hello, little wolf. And a big wolf. Come here, Iba. Guys, so meron ditong beehive right there. Yung mga kahon. So, pwede kayo mag-collect ng honey dyan.
And that's it.
So, meaning nandito yung bear.
Is it gonna wait in line? Oh!
Oh, he's gonna crust our pizza. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, there is. He's just eating it.
Nakita na namin yung bear. Yun na yung isa sa mga last na animal dito. So, mag-exit na kami dito. Yan.
There's no egg.
Gift shop. Naalaan ng gift shop. Let's go to the park. Yan guys. So, nandito na kami sa park. Nauna na sila doon ng foot. Okay lang kasi nandito naman kami sa park. So, wala naman like mga kotse. So, yan. Magre-record ulit ako after namin mag-park. Hindi lang ako magre-record kasi dito sa park dahil maraming bata and I don't wanna get looked, so ayoko maging weird sa mga parents, especially sa nare-record ko yung mga anak nila, kaya confidential pa din, or privacy pala. Confidential ayan, ko-continue natin ang ating recording once na matapos sila. So yun guys, ito yung part dito. Ganyan siya kalaki. Magre-record lang ako ng konti. Pero ganyan siya. Nandun na sila sa dulo actually. So yan, pupunta tayo doon. And magre-record lang ulit ako after namin mag-park. Ito guys, nandito kami sa sand. May swing dito. Andito pa rin kami sa same park. So, nakita nyo guys, yan. Ano sila ng sand. Pati si Mark doon. Yan. So yan, update lang yan kasi ayoko mag-video dito dahil yung bata. Yan. Yan lang. Papakadumi lang sila. Dahil yung buhok nito, may sand. So guys, tapos na kami sa park. Yan, dumami na yung bata. So ito, lalakad na ulit kami. Yun lang. So, yun yung Folsom Zoo, guys. So, hopefully, nakita nyo yun. And nag-enjoy naman yung mga bata. So, magdadrive kami papunta doon. Mga parang 30 minutes away yung Galleria Mall namin dito. Yung kung saan kami pupunta para kumain. And then, yan. Sana mag-ingat kayo palagi. Especially sa Pilipinas, guys. Dahil ang dami nangyari ngayon sa Pilipinas. Yung mga banggaan, yan. Makakalungkot lang. Guys, ingat kayo palagi at saka smile lang. Ayun, God bless po sa inyong lahat. And salamat sa suporta. Eva, say bye-bye to the vlog. Say bye, vlog. Did you have fun in the zoo? Ha? Okay. Kasi ito guys, yung isa umiiyak. Kasi gusto na niyang umuwi. Ayan. Sunday naman eh. Ayan. See you guys.